Hi, I'm Satish Kulal. Namaskara. I want to talk about investment ideas and my investment stories. So normally I do every month like 5 to 10% of my income on investment, and I'll spend like as a time waste. I'll spend like daily like 30 minutes of reading the news and thinking about how can I convert every news article into a money or investment. And every month, if I found any some nice stocks, end of the week, I'll sit back and try to understand uh, what their stock is doing, how the stock doing, or how the company is doing, and try to invest on them. So this week news is oil price went on negative. So question for me is how can I convert this news into a money or the investment? So when I see that, the first question arises like why oil price went negative? The only reason is that there is no demand. Because of the corona situation, there is no demand for the oil, and uh, the oil companies finding difficult to store their oil. They have a lot of oil. So how can I? Where should I invest? So the when I start looking around it, I found one option is investing in oil company itself. So oil companies like Shell, Chevron is a good example, and the prices of the these companies stocks are very less, and that's a one option I have to invest. And other there's a I don't want to invest in the small companies here because I'm scared of this company may go bankrupt, because if the corona situation went for maybe more than 2 more months, I maybe renting the oil tankers to keep the oil is maybe very expensive for these small companies, so I don't want to invest on the small companies. So one option for me is like invest on Shell or the Chevron. That's the only two big companies I saw in my list at least. And the second option is investing on the oil tanker itself until the corona situation ends. So all the oil should be in the tankers. It means that somebody has to pay the rent for these companies. So at least for next 6 months, the growth of these companies really high. It means that I can invest on that. So the one stock I found is NAT. Look for this tanker company is called NAT, and I think I invested already some, but I am thinking of investing more. The third option is uh, oil contract itself. So there is an option you can this company there's a what's contract called OSA. You can invest on them, and he said you can bet that the oil contract price will go down, and you can buy a you can invest on them. That's one more option, which I didn't do that. Personally, I didn't do that because I didn't understand that well. So my mantra is, if you're not understanding of any company, if you're not understanding of what is their business, what is their balance sheet, and how they're making money, I don't want to touch that stock at all, or I don't want to invest at that at all. So I understood that NAT, and I know Shell. So and when I invest, always I invest for 60-40. 60-40 is nothing but 60% safe and the 40% little risky, or like high risky high gain stocks. So I put NAT on high risk high gain because a small company, by the way, but in the next 6 months is maybe the quick money for me. And Shell, maybe I need to hold the stocks for more than a year, but I'm expecting like 100% profit on that. That's it for this week. Please share this video for your friends who are into the investment, or the new people you want to help somebody, and also subscribe for the next week update. I'll try to make a video every week and on that week news, and share my knowledge and share my investment ideas. Thank you, and see you next week. Bye bye.